Wall Street quantitative trading firms spend hundreds of millions of dollars every single year building automated systems to analyze the market and execute trades faster than humanly possible. Today, we are going to level the playing field. I am going to show you how to build a fully autonomous, multi-agent AI trading firm from absolute scratch. And we are going to do it in under 20 minutes without writing a single line of code ourselves. We are not just building a simple chatbot that gives you stock tips. We are going to build a comprehensive system that analyzes traditional equities, builds a custom user interface, and then we are taking it a massive step further. We are going to code a live high-frequency arbitrage bot that connects directly to Web3 prediction markets, executes trades autonomously with real money, and texts your phone via Telegram every single time it makes a move. We are doing all of this natively inside the MaxClaw ecosystem. Let's start the clock. We begin right here on the MaxClaw dashboard. Instead of choosing a basic generic assistant, I am selecting the highly specialized multi-agent trading expert configuration. I click, I'm ready, and MaxClaw instantly spins up an isolated secure cloud workspace. Let's get to work. We are now dropped into the main command terminal. A traditional AI like ChatGPT is just a single brain, but if you want to dominate the financial markets, one brain isn't enough. You need a team of ruthless specialists. I drop in my initialization prompt. I am telling MaxClaw to spawn 4 distinct specialized agents in parallel. Number 1, a bull analyst designed to look exclusively for upside momentum and growth. Number 2, a bear analyst who acts as the devil's advocate, ruthlessly tearing apart the bull thesis and searching for downside risk. Number 3, a sentiment scraper, an agent dedicated to actively pulling live news, social media data, and market psychology. And finally, number 4, a risk manager. This is the CEO of the swarm. It synthesizes the arguments and determines the final position sizing. Watch the execution on the screen. MaxClaw doesn't just process this linearly. It literally orchestrates the entire swarm simultaneously. You can see the completed sessions pinging as it brings each agent online. It maps out the exact team status, showing that our bull, bear, sentiment, and risk agents are all active and ready. It even establishes a strict protocol flow, so the agents know exactly how to debate each other before presenting me with a final recommendation. We just built a digital boardroom. Right here at the 2-minute and 12-second mark, you are witnessing exactly why MaxClaw is in a league of its own. I am completely hands-off right now. MaxClaw is actively building all of the backend files from scratch. It's writing the FastAPI app, setting up the routing, and now it's moving straight into building the React front-end. But watch closely right here. The system hits a React-type mismatch error with the charts package. In the past, this would mean spending 30 minutes digging through Stack Overflow. Not anymore. MaxClaw instantly detects the bug, rewrites the code to fix the front-end rendering, and bypasses the localhost dependency so it runs 100% in our browser. All endpoints are registered. The multi-agent system is fully operational. We now have an 8-agent backend consisting of a technical analyst, fundamentals analyst, sentiment analyst, news analyst, and specialized bull and bear researchers, all feeding into a master risk manager and portfolio manager. This is institutional-level infrastructure built in less than 3 minutes. Let's see what this beast can actually do. MaxClaw provides us with a live URL to our newly deployed front-end dashboard. I'm opening it up and, wow, look at this interface. We have a clean Deploy AI Agent Team search bar. I'm typing in Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, and hitting Run Analysis. Immediately, the system starts fetching live market data. Look at this breakdown. The agents are working in parallel. The technical analyst is giving us a bullish signal based on moving averages. The fundamentals analyst is screaming bullish with a strong 69% confidence score, citing robust revenue growth. The sentiment and news analysts are scraping the web in real time to gauge market emotion. Down at the bottom, our bullish and bearish researchers debate the data, and our portfolio manager spits out the final recommendation, a massive buy signal with a 68% overall confidence. It even gives us suggested position sizing and stop-loss levels. By the way, if you want to import this exact multi-agent framework into your own workspace today, click the link in the description to join my private school community, AI Money Forge. We have over 270 entrepreneurs inside sharing these exact prompts, code-based repositories, and AI automation blueprints. You don't have to build this alone. Join the Forge today. Now, analyzing stocks is great, but I want this AI to actually execute trades and make money autonomously. For that, we are pivoting to Web3. We are going to connect our multi-agent system to Polymarket, the world's largest decentralized prediction market. First, I need a wallet. I'm heading to the Chrome Web Store and adding the MetaMask extension. I quickly run through the setup, securely storing my secret recovery phrase and creating a brand new DeFi account. Once the wallet is ready, we head over to polymarket.com. If you aren't familiar with this platform, it is an absolute goldmine for AI automation. You can trade on the outcome of literally anything, from the NCAA tournament to geopolitics, to whether Bitcoin will go up or down in the next 5 minutes. I'm clicking Log In, connecting my newly created MetaMask wallet, and signing the signature request. We are officially in. I'll make a quick deposit to fund the account and enable trading. Our financial pipeline is now wide open and ready for the AI to take control. I'm jumping back into MaxClaw, I tell it. Now that I have everything set up, let's build the Polymarket trading bot. MaxClaw instantly gives me a full strategic breakdown. It rightfully warns us that Polymarket is geo-blocked in the US and UK. Luckily, I am based in Canada, so we are fully in the clear to operate this without any restrictions. It gives me 4 different trading strategies to choose from: market making, AI news arbitrage, correlation arbitrage, and momentum. I want a bot that exploits real-time data faster than humans can react, so I'm selecting the AI news arbitrage strategy. MaxClaw asks me to confirm my region, verify my wallet setup, and choose my strategy. I tell it yes, we are set up, and I provide my public wallet address. Watch as MaxClaw immediately starts writing the Python scripts to scan all active markets. It builds a dry run environment to test our strategy safely, and look at these live test results rolling in. In just seconds, the bot scanned over 100 markets and found 53 live opportunities where our AI has a mathematical edge over the human crowd. It's identifying mispriced probabilities in real time. I want to make sure this bot is highly calculated. I asked MaxClaw, will this be an arbitrage bot making incremental increases in profits? I want this thing taking small, consistent bites out of the market, compounding over time. MaxClaw confirms and sets the bot to focus specifically on the high-volume 5-minute micro markets. But here is where we take things to the absolute next level. I don't want to sit at my computer all day monitoring this bot. I want full control from my phone. I command MaxClaw, connect this to Telegram, please. It generates a flawless 2-minute setup guide. I open up Telegram Web, search for the official BotFather account, and hit Start. I type in a quick name and username for my bot to generate a unique HTTP API token. I simply copy that token, paste it directly into MaxClaw, and hit Enter. Instantly, the gateway connects. My Telegram is now hardwired to my local AI trading bot. If I want to check my balance, halt trading, or ask for market status, I just text my bot on Telegram, and it handles the rest. Let's finalize this build. Inside Telegram, I message my newly created bot. Okay, perfect. Let's continue finishing the bot, and let's see the dashboard. The message is received perfectly. MaxClaw processes the command from Telegram, finishes compiling the code, and generates our live visual interface. And there it is. Just look at this masterpiece. We have a fully custom, sleek, dark mode dashboard dedicated entirely to our AI arbitrage bot. At the top, we have our session P&L total trades, win rate, and open positions. In the center, it is actively tracking the BTC 5-minute up or down markets, watching the timer count down, and monitoring the order book spread. Down below, our trade log is standing by, waiting to execute its very first live signal based purely on the AI's real-time edge calculation. We just went from an empty folder to a fully autonomous, Telegram-controlled, multi-agent crypto trading firm in under 20 minutes. If you are blown away by what MaxClaw can do and you want to start building systems like this for yourself, you need to be inside AI Money Forge. Click the link below to join the school community, dive into the classroom, connect with the members, and let's start building the future of AI automation together. Drop a like, subscribe for more insane AI builds, and I will see you in the next video.